It's kind of like what Howard Gilman did when he started cutting down the forests for his paper company. He decided that he needed to give something back, so he created White Oak.
We studied animal behavior, we observed, we got out there, looked at the animals, but we also were taught about the dangers that these animals face. The most common one is habitat loss.
White Oak Camp offers a living curriculum, providing a unique experience for each child. The camp offers students a chance to explore the world of animal science with a hands-on, behind-the-scenes look at a world-class conservation center. In working with experts in the field, the children learn the value of conservation. White Oak Camp gives children a wild and rare opportunity to learn how to make their world a better place.
It's like when you go to your doctor and the doctor does a complete examination on you. We're doing a physical exam, we're getting blood samples, we're going to, in a few minutes here, you'll see us, I'm going to actually put an endoscope down the cheetah's throat into its stomach.
We kind of owe it to them to help them and bring back their species.
Remember how those cheetah toenails were kind of dull? I'll be that looks like a cheetah toenail.
We'll measure once we get
Sharp
back.
pop.
Get that side.
Really get the pretty sharp. Pretty cool, huh?
Like with the two big cats that we saw, they had to knock them out, and there were a lot of people on hand to make sure it was going smoothly, and they were all working as one big team, so it all worked out really well.
Depending on who you talk to, it's split into 6 different subspecies. This subspecies, the Mississippi sandhill cranes, there's only like 110, 120 left in the wild, and they're all found in Mississippi. And so all the offspring, this little guy here will go back to the wild. Probably, he or she will release probably October, November. The little one is only about 12 weeks old. That's actually her last vaccination. I think it's a female.
We got to cut browse, which is like what the giraffes and okapis eat. Got to cut it off the trees and hang it up in their enclosure so they can eat it. Conservation is conserving species, animals, plants, because if one species dies, then it will affect the whole ecosystem, and that'll be very bad for all of it. So you have to conserve those species and help protect them. White Oak is a special place. I mean, really the only place where you could kind of see this stuff in this kind of same habitat would be like going right over to Africa. So I would definitely recommend it to anybody who likes animals, or just really anybody, and I thought it was really fun.
It's a great experience. You'll have a lot of fun, and you'll learn new stuff, and you'll help the environment more.
And you're probably never going to be able to do any of this kind of stuff anywhere else. Not that I know of, at least.